In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on Pipedrive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly email multiple people at once using Pipedrive's built-in tools, without needing any extra software or complicated setup. Let's start from the main dashboard of your Pipedrive account. To begin, decide whether you want to email people based on their deals or simply as contacts. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the icon that takes you to Deals or the one that takes you to Contacts. Click whichever makes the most sense for your use case. For example, if you want to follow up with everyone in a specific stage of your pipeline, go to Deals. If you're sending a general announcement or newsletter-style message, Contacts might be the better place to start. Once you're inside either Deals or Contacts, you'll want to switch to the List view. This is important because the list layout is what allows you to easily select multiple recipients at the same time. Look toward the top left area of the screen for the view options and select the one that switches you into list view. If you see your data arranged in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet, you're in the right place. Now you can choose exactly who you want to email. On the left side of each row, you'll see a checkbox. Go down the list and click the boxes next to each person you want to include in your bulk email. Take a moment here to make sure you're only selecting people who should receive this specific message. It's often helpful to apply filters first, such as by deal stage, label, or contact status, so you don't accidentally email the wrong group. After you've selected your recipients, look for the option to send a group email. This will usually appear above the list or in a toolbar that becomes visible once multiple items are selected. Click Send Group Email, and Pipedrive will open up a new email composition window that's already addressed to everyone you checked. In the email window, choose your template. If you've already set up email templates in Pipedrive, this is where they really save you time. Pick the one that matches your purpose, then quickly review the subject line and the body of the message. Make any small edits needed to personalize it, and when everything looks good, click Send Message. Your bulk email will go out to all the selected recipients in just a few clicks.